係咯，頭先都睇咗啦，我哋。
This land was reclaimed from the river during Boston's great era of landfilling in the second half of the 19th century, with over 700 acres of South Boston having been planted in 1836 and present.
Điểm. Đó, 我穿住手度嘅。咪人話叫佢哋50蚊嘢。啊。
Emily 唔好搞。
分嗰類我分過去點啊
？You took a picture of my nose. You took a picture of my nose.
七嘅呢部喎，嗰啲大嗰啲部，咪七咯，你估咪七咯，大家你出細嘅。
Wax 咪先人嗰隻㗎，而家佢揾翻，俾翻你啊，俾翻佢。佢可以俾翻人。係啦。
I thought I lost it, but I didn't. It's not my pocket.
俾翻佢，佢可以俾翻下。唔係應該佢啊，或者自己揾係啦，見到自己啊嘛。
係自己。邊個啊？呢首嘅。
At least, can I look at him?
你冇用去下一批嘅啫。下一批有嘅。
Soldiers and 1,000 British loyalists boarded 78 ships and sailed from Boston, while General Washington's forces triumphantly marched into town. Evacuation Day is celebrated as a local holiday in Boston and coincides with St. Patrick's Day, also an important holiday due to the city's large Irish population. The long gray building to the right is the old Boston Army base. This building once had the most floor space in the world. Troop ships departed from the Boston Army base for Europe during both World Wars. The building is now the Black Falcon Terminal, where ocean liners dock when they're in Boston.
睇下嬸嬸叔叔咧係去邊度，我就跟埋去㗎啦咁樣。阿爹哋話應承曬我嘅。
We're now coming upon New England's busiest airport, Logan International. Originally, it was known as Commonwealth Airport. Boston's main airport opened in 1923. It was later renamed Boston Municipal Airport and was renamed again in 1942 in honor of Lieutenant General Edward Logan. 3 Boston Harbor islands and the bay surrounding them that was filled in were used to create the modern airport that now has 6 runways and occupies 2,200 acres of land.
我喺呢嗰度啊，好環境更加添啦。
佢即係用咗20年嚟改變呢個舊城市環境喎。
To the right is East Boston, or Noddles Island. Before 1830, Noddles Island was empty and treeless, but with immigration and the shipbuilding boom of the 1840s and 50s, Noddles was transformed into one of the great shipbuilding centers of the world. During the California gold rush of the 1840s, the ships that could make it to the west coast the fastest made fortunes. Most clipper ships paid for themselves and took profit beyond that on their maiden voyage. In 1851, right here in East Boston, Don McKay's shipyard built a ship named the Flying Cloud. Captain Cressy and his crew sailed the Flying Cloud from The first permanent European settlement in the Boston region was at Wessagusset, now Weymouth, by Robert Gorges in September of 1623. Gorges had planned to settle the entire New England area with people from the Church of England. This was unsuccessful, and by 1625 he was forced to return to England. 3 men stayed behind. The first